My English name is Pablo. My teacher told me that I look like Korean and Chinese, but I'm from Japan. My name is Yusuke Kamori. I want to introduce about C21, the EOP, which means English only policy. That was good to improve my English skills. Yeah, we can only use English to talk with students and teachers as well. And this is the first time to take a maximum lesson in English. So I could talk to teachers many times and many topics, and that was a good experience for me. We could discuss and some topics, and also we could give a speech in front of our groups. So that was also a good experience for me to use English.